Like I told you, you're doing 117.
Yeah, I literally never go that fast. I have 0 speeding tickets.
At 117 miles an hour.
I literally never go fast.
On the 12th of July, 2025, a vehicle was clocked at 117 miles per hour on Route 19, Florida, triggering a custodial arrest. Under Florida's amended dangerous speed statute, driving above 100 miles per hour or 50 miles above the posted limit is no longer a civil infraction. It is a criminal misdemeanor. Both thresholds were satisfied simultaneously. The traffic stop itself was constitutionally sound. Under Delaware versus Prowse, a direct radar reading constitutes probable cause for both a stop and a custodial arrest.
Get your license?
Do you want to just stay here?
Let me get your license first, okay? So I'm off your age, by the way. I'm off your age, by the way. The reason I'm stopping you. You know how fast you're going there on 18? What's that? You know how fast? You want me to tell you how fast you're going? You're 117. 117. Why are you going so fast? Do me a favor, pull up into the Congo River parking lot there. Hey, can I get one more? Can I get one more? I'll be in the Congo River parking lot. Caroline, is it Caroline? How about I talk to you? You got shoes? Just nothing. Just relax. Can you take this off? How old are you? Yeah. Oh,
If I drop my phone.
you won't get all that stuff, okay? We'll walk over here, okay? The reason why you're handcuffed right now is that, like I told you, you're doing 117.
Yeah, I literally never go that fast. I have 0 speeding tickets.
At 117 miles an hour. Do you
It's
know
a
they
fast car.
Right. Do you know they just passed a new law, right?
No, I'm not aware.
Okay. So anything over 100 miles an hour or 50 miles above the speed limit, it's a misdemeanor. Okay? You understand that, right?
So what does that mean?
You're being arrested for your speed limit. Okay? Alright? It's not a joke, okay? 117, you're passing that car. You're in the far left lane. Spread around that car at 117 miles an hour.
Sorry.
Just because you're having fun.
I understand.
Okay?
Wait, why is he being arrested?
We'll get everything squared away, okay?
Oh, did they leave the car on?
What should I have? The keys in there?
I don't don't know.
Is it whose car?
I think it is.
It's your car, right?
Yeah, it's my car.
Okay.
Should be in there.
Alright, is there anything on you? Because I'm gonna have a female officer come search you.
Okay.
There's nothing on you.
No, I would prefer
Alright,
to have
so
my
who is
phone
that to you?
That's my husband.
That's your husband. Alright, did he say you slow down or?
Yeah. Yeah, I
It's not.
understand. It's fast.
Okay, there's not a place to do it, right? If you want to go that fast, there's a racetrack for that kind of stuff. Okay.
Yeah, we know.
Because what you're doing is it's racing too. Okay, it's considered racing. You're at exhibition of a speed. All right.
Sorry, I really wasn't aware. I literally never go fast.
All right. Well, just hang tight.
Right.
We're
I
gonna
have a question.
What
Why
is
is he getting arrested?
Because everybody in the car for racing, it goes to jail. Okay. I'm gonna go talk to him here in a second. But that's how it is. It doesn't matter. People can they be sitting on the side of the street watching racing. They can go to jail. Okay.
But are we like actually going to jail, or is it like
Yes.
bond out type of situation?
No, you're going to jail. Okay. Just hang tight. I'll come back and talk to you in a second. What's your name, boss?
Isaiah.
Did you know she was going that fast?
I wasn't looking at the speedometer. I can't see over it, but
Right.
it felt fast.
It felt fast, right?
Yeah.
Did you tell her to slow down at all, or did you want her to slow down?
I mean,
I get. I understand.
I'm comfortable. You know, I'm not trying to.
No, you're just being detained right now, man. You have to understand that she was doing 117. Okay. They just passed a new law. Anything over 100 miles per hour, or anything 50 miles above the posted speed limit, is a misdemeanor now. Okay.
Yeah.
They're not playing around. Okay. She's your wife, you said?
Yeah.
All right. Is that your car too?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have a valid license?
Yeah.
Where were you guys headed to?
I was headed to pick up a car part. It was like a what do you call it? It was like a sticker for the badges. It was just like some
Is that where you're coming from?
No, I was coming from home.
You guys were coming home. You guys were going to go pick up some stickers or something.
Yeah, some stickers for the car.
All right. Just take out. Take care, man. I'm just going to read you something real quick. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford a hire lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questions of your age. You can sign anytime. Exercise these rights. Not answering the questions or making any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained? Is it a verbal yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So, like I explained to him, because you guys got dogs at home, and he's got a license, he's a registered, I'm gonna let him take the car home, okay? So you guys so he can take care of the dog, okay? You seem like a good person. I think you just made a bad choice today, okay? Like I said, they just passed this new law. We're not playing around with these speeds anymore, okay? Like I said, anything over 100 miles an hour, or anything 50 miles above the posted speed limit, okay? You're looking at jail time, okay? So, I gotta do some paperwork. You gotta get that citation for me. I'm not gonna do the racing statute. I'm just gonna do the dangerous speed statute, okay? The one over 100 miles per hour, 50 miles above the posted speed limit. If I decided to do the racing charge, I can take both of you to jail, okay? But I'm not doing that, alright? Hopefully this will be your last one, alright? Alright?
The transition from traffic stop to custodial arrest is the critical constitutional threshold in this encounter under Berkmer versus McCarty. Once a subject is in custody, meaning a reasonable person would not feel free to leave, Fifth Amendment protections attach, and Miranda warnings become mandatory before any interrogation begins. However, the officer questioned both the driver and the passenger before delivering those warnings, asking about speed awareness, destination, and vehicle ownership. Statements made during that window exist in a legally ambiguous zone that defense counsel would scrutinize. Miranda warnings were ultimately administered correctly and completely, covering all required elements under Miranda versus Arizona. Right to silence, use of statements, right to counsel, appointed counsel, and the right to stop answering at any time. Verbal confirmation was obtained. Florida Statute 316.191, the racing statute, authorizes arrest. of both driver and passenger in a racing vehicle. The officer explicitly declined to invoke this statute, charging only the dangerous speed provision against the driver alone. This is a lawful exercise of prosecutorial discretion, and it is the most consequential legal decision in this encounter. Under Graham versus Connor, the only force applied handcuffing was proportional, appropriate, and consistent with a lawful custodial arrest. No Fourth Amendment issue arises from the restraint itself. The physical conduct of the arrest is not in question. Regarding the passenger detention, under Maryland versus Wilson, law enforcement may lawfully detain passengers during a valid traffic stop. The passenger's voluntary statements acknowledging the vehicle felt fast carry potential evidentiary weight under the racing statute, a statute the officer chose not to apply, but one that remained legally available throughout the encounter.
Step out for me. And shadows, handcuffs. Face that way. Okay, once I shadow this one, I want you to put this hand on top of your head for me, okay? Put it on top of your head. There you go. All right, you can relax. Come on over here. All right, just right here. Hang tight right here for a second.
I'm not trying to be rude. I don't understand.
Okay, because if the officer wanted to, or if I wanted to, I could charge you with racing. Okay? Being a passenger in a car, that's racing. Exhibition of speed of their vehicle, which you need to go to jail too. Okay? That kind of behavior is not acceptable at all. You want to race, go to the tracks. Okay? You want to have fun doing 117 miles an hour on 19, go to the tracks. Okay? You hit somebody out here doing that, kill somebody, hurt somebody severely, just a good part of your life is going to be gone. You understand? Okay. Your wife wants to speak with you. I'm going to ask this officer if it's okay. And if that's okay, then, we'll bring you up to the window and let you speak to her real quick. Right. We're going to let you take the car.
Right. What's happening? What's going to happen?
Do you?
Yeah.
So, am I, sleeping there?
You may have a bond. Okay? Just depends. I don't know if you've been in trouble before, any kind of criminal history, anything like that. There's on display, but they'll tell you what your bond is over there. Okay, it's probably a small bond, somewhere around $500 or so.
Where it is? Is it the?
Yep, 49th Street. All right. So what happened is I wrote down his number for you because your phone was completely dead. Once you're able to, you'll be able to make your phone call from the jail, and you can make your arrangements on how you're going to get out and how you're going to get picked up and whatnot. Okay. All right.
Can I give him a kiss?
Nope. Unfortunately. There you go. That's what you go. I was going to say. Just real low, okay? All right.
Officer Tybee Police Department. I'm here just to conduct your search, okay? Do you mind stepping out for me? Have you faced the vehicle? And take a step away from the car. Widen your stance for me. Okay. Anything on your person? Okay. Regular bra, or is it sport? expression, okay, so don't take it personally. Anything on you at all whatsoever. Okay, any introduction of contraband into the jail is an additional felony, and I'll be happy to charge you with it if they find anything, so that's why we like to give everybody that heads up, okay? All right, let's see.
Grades. The arresting officer receives a B+. The stop was legally sound, force was proportional, and the decision to limit charges to the dangerous speed statute reflects measured, proportional enforcement. The deduction stems from pre-Miranda investigative questioning, a procedural gap that creates unnecessary appellate exposure. The driver receives a C+. The underlying conduct, 117 miles per hour on a public highway, was the direct cause of this arrest. Post-arrest cooperation was appropriate, but voluntary statements made before Miranda were legally unprotected and potentially harmful. The passenger receives an A-, calm, cooperative, and legally cautious throughout. No criminal exposure resulted. Officer Taylor receives an A. The search was conducted correctly with proper gender assignment and accurate legal advisements. Key lessons. First, in Florida, exceeding 100 miles per hour is no longer a traffic ticket, it is an arrest. Second, passengers are not automatically protected. The racing statute creates criminal liability for occupants, not just drivers. Third, the right to remain silent begins at detention, not at the moment handcuffs are applied. Assert it early. Fourth, prosecutorial discretion is a legal tool, not a guarantee. A different officer, a different outcome. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more content.